Guys, this is Motion AR from Signbox software, and in this tutorial we will be learning about the semicolons and positioning. So previously we have done hello world program, and now let's start with the semicolon. I have a theory about semicolons and positioning. Okay, so let's start with the theory. uh, the semicolon is a separator that is used to terminate a statement. Okay, uh, that is, each individual statement must be ended with a semicolon. Okay, indicates the end of the logical entity. As you know, a block is a set of logical connected statements that are surrounded by opening and closing brackets. A block is not terminated with a semicolon, since block is a group of statements with a semicolon after each statement. It makes sense that block is not terminated by a semicolon. Instead, the end of the block is indicated by the closing brace. So guys, this was the theory. Now let's understand theory with the example line by line. Okay, so now let's start with the first line. uh, Semicolon. Semicolon is a separator that is used to terminate a statement. Okay, it is a separator that is used to terminate a statement. Okay, how this is a separator? Now see, say hello world, say goodbye, goodbye world. Okay, so these two are statements, uh, and each statement is end with semicolon. This is the semicolon. Okay, so you have to put the semicolon in the last of every statement so that a Java compiler will understand that this statement is end now. Okay, so the first line is saying semicolon is a separator. Okay, so it separates the two line. This is the one line and this is another line. Okay, that is, each individual statement must be ended with a semicolon. Okay, it separates a two line, and each statement, this is a one statement and this is a two statement, ended with the semicolon. Okay, this is a one statement ended with a semicolon, and this is another statement also ended with a semicolon. It indicates it indicates the end of one logical entity. Okay, this is a logical entity. It's indicate that end, this is the end point of this statement. Okay, as you know, a block is a set of logical connected statements that are surrounded by opening and curly brackets. Okay, so guys, this is a block. Okay, this is a block of main method, opening curly brackets and closing curly brackets. Okay, this is the block, and the theory is saying a block is a set of logical connected statements. Okay, these are the set of statements. There are two statements. I can put the many statements as I want. Okay, so surrounded by opening and curly brackets. This is opening brackets and this is curly brackets. Okay, and a block is not terminated with the semicolon, since a block is a group of statements with the semicolon after each statement. Okay, so block is not terminated with this semicolon. Okay, so this one. Okay, these are group of statements. Okay, and what does it this a block is not terminated with a semicolon, so it's a group of statements with a semicolon after each statement. Okay, this is the a group of statements. This is a group of statements and ends with a semicolon. Okay, it makes sense that the block is not terminated by a semicolon. Instead, the end of block is indicated by the closing brackets. Okay, since block is a group of statements, so it makes sense the block is not terminated by semicolon. Okay, instead we can use end of the block with a curly brace. Understand, guys? This was the semicolon, and now let's come to the positioning. Now, what is the positioning? Java does not recognize the end of the line as a terminator. Okay. For this reason, it does not matter where on a line you put a statement. Okay. Now this is the positioning. Okay. Now the first line is, let me press enter. Now first line is, Java does not recognize the end of the line as a terminator. Okay. How? This one. If I use this one here, this like this here. Okay. So the Java does not recognize the end of the line as a terminator. Okay, now this is the end of the line. Okay, this is the end of the line. After dot, this is the end of the line number 4. Okay, and this is the end of the line number 5. What does it mean, end of the line? There is a nothing. Okay, there is a nothing after the out in the line number 5, and this is a line number 6, and this is line number 7. So Java does not recognize the end of the line as a terminator. Okay, Java does not recognize this is the end of the line. Okay, and this is the end of the line, this is the end of the line. No, Java will recognize it by using semicolon, as we have already discussed. Okay, Java recognize the end of the line with the end of the statement with semicolon. Okay, for this reason it does not matter where on a line you put a statement. Okay, for this reason it does not matter where on the line you put a statement. Okay, now let me give you example. It does not matter if I make use of spaces, it does not matter. Okay, if I use like this one, okay, it does not matter. Okay, now let's compile this program. Java C. Let me clear it first. Okay, Java C hello world dot Java. Okay, and execute this program with the simple Java. Just remove the C and hello world. Let me, okay, this one, hello world, simple, use hello world. Okay, now see, this is saying say hello world, say goodbye world. If I append this one like this, now let me show. Again compiles fine, and okay, to execute it perfectly. Okay, so it does not matter where on the line you put a statement. Okay, so guys, this was a simple and short video on semicolons and positioning. Okay, thank you guys, and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get notification about my further videos. And